Microsoft webinars in Teams are an excellent way to engage with your employees, customers, clients, or professional development participants, informational meetings, and many more examples. They enable you to have up to 1,000 participants with interactivity, share live and recorded participants, take advantage of the Teams meeting features like PowerPoint Live and sharing modes, set controls like checking in, audio and video, and sharing ahead of time, and you can easily set up and manage registration. In the example I have taken from a Microsoft video here, the way that PowerPoint Live and all the viewing modes are incorporated so the presenters can easily see the participants there at the top, and it's just so as you can see in the example I have here, the webinar experience helps the presenters focus on presenting and makes the participants more visible, ready to engage with them. And within Teams, it's super easy to set up a new webinar. Go to New Meeting in your Teams calendar, but click on the down arrow caret right there. Click on Webinar. You can set up your webinar. I love the easy registration page, landing page that you can set up for your webinar. And what's really nice is you have access to data from your webinar. You can download your attendance in Excel format, your registration information, and more.